Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a Canada Work Permit application letter step by step. This letter is submitted by an applicant seeking authorization to work legally in Canada. It explains your job offer, professional qualifications, financial readiness, and your commitment to following Canadian immigration laws. So here is how to write it. Sender information. First, write your complete personal contact details at the top of the letter. For example, Christopher Bennett, 412 Oakwood Drive, Chicago, Illinois 60611, United States, +1 312 555 8472. Christopher Bennett at email.com. Make sure everything matches your passport and application documents. Date. Next, write the date the letter is prepared. For example, May 11th, 2026. This shows when your application letter was officially written. Recipient details. Now write the visa office details. What to write here is the Immigration Authority and the Canadian Visa Office processing your application. For example, Visa Officer, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. Canadian Visa Office, New York, United States. This ensures your letter is directed to the correct office. If the full address is unavailable, the visa office name is sufficient. Next comes the subject line. Write, subject, application for Canada Work Permit. This immediately tells the visa officer the purpose of your application. Keep it clear and professional. Salutation. Now write the formal greeting. Write, Dear Visa Officer, this is the standard formal salutation for Canadian immigration correspondence. It keeps your letter respectful and professional. Paragraph 1. Work Permit Request. Start by explaining the purpose of your application. For example, I am writing to respectfully apply for a Canada Work Permit to work as a software engineer with Northern Tech Solutions located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This clearly introduces your request. Mention the exact job title and employer name. Paragraph 2. Personal Identification. Write your personal and passport details. For example, my name is Christopher Bennett, born on February 8, 1990, and I am a citizen of the United States. I hold passport number US 9876543 and currently reside at 412 Oakwood Drive, Chicago, Illinois. This confirms your identity for immigration processing. Ensure every detail matches your passport. Paragraph 3. Job offer details. Explain your formal employment offer. For example, I have received a formal job offer from Northern Tech Solutions for the position of software engineer. My employment is scheduled to begin on July 1, 2026, with an expected duration of 2 years. This proves that legitimate employment has been secured. Attach the official job offer letter. Paragraph 4. Job responsibilities. Briefly explain your role. For example, the offered position involves software development, system optimization, and technical support for enterprise-level applications. This helps the visa officer understand the nature of your work. Keep this brief and specific. Paragraph 5. Educational and professional qualifications. Now explain your academic and professional background. For example, I hold a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering from the University of Michigan, completed in 2014. I also have 10 years of professional experience as a senior software developer. This demonstrates that you are qualified for the position. Only include qualifications relevant to the role. Paragraph 6. Work Permit Category. Choose only the option that applies to your application. If employer-specific, write, My application is based on a valid job offer from Northern Tech Solutions, supported by a positive labor market impact assessment. This confirms employer authorization. Attach LMIA approval if applicable. If open work permit, write, I am applying for an open work permit under the category of spouse of an international student. This explains your eligibility category. Include supporting proof. If applying under a special program, write, I am applying under International Experience Canada. This identifies the immigration stream. Clearly state the exact category. Paragraph 7. Settlement funds. Include this section only if relevant. If employer support, write, Northern Tech Solutions will provide relocation assistance and settlement support as outlined in my employment agreement. This confirms employer assistance. Attach supporting proof. If self-funded, write, I have sufficient personal financial resources to support my initial settlement in Canada. This demonstrates financial readiness. Attach bank statements. If not applicable, write, my employment contract provides immediate salary commencement upon arrival. This explains why additional settlement funds are not needed. Choose only the option relevant to your case. Paragraph 8. Immigration compliance. Confirm your understanding of permit conditions. For example, I fully understand the conditions of my work permit and confirm that I will comply with all Canadian immigration laws and regulations throughout my stay. This reassures the visa officer of your legal compliance. Keep the wording formal and confident. Paragraph 9. Professional contribution. Explain the value of this employment opportunity. For example, this employment opportunity will allow me to contribute my software engineering expertise while gaining valuable international work experience in Canada. This shows professional purpose. Connect it to your career growth. Paragraph 10. Commitment after employment. Confirm compliance after your work period ends. For example, upon completion of my authorized employment period, I will comply with all legal immigration requirements. This reassures the officer that you understand your obligations. Keep this statement direct. Paragraph 11. Supporting documents. List all attached supporting documents. For example, completed work permit application form, valid passport copy, job offer letter, LMIA approval documentation, educational certificates and transcripts, resume or CV, proof of relevant work experience, settlement funds documentation. This helps the visa officer review your file efficiently. Only include documents you are actually submitting. Paragraph 12. Formal request. Politely request favorable consideration. For example, I respectfully request favorable consideration of my application for a Canada work permit. This formally closes your request. Keep it respectful and concise. Closing. Write, thank you for your time and consideration. This shows professionalism and courtesy. Yours sincerely. It completes the letter properly. Finally, include your signature if submitting printed copy, your full name. If submitting electronically, typing your full name is generally acceptable. Before submitting your Canada Work Permit application letter, carefully review all information for accuracy. Make sure your job offer details, passport information, employer documents, and qualifications all match your supporting documents. A strong work permit letter should clearly demonstrate your eligibility, qualifications, and commitment to complying with Canadian immigration requirements. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you write your Canada Work Permit application letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.